In this video, we're going to be looking at dividing index numbers, and again, looking at the special number patterns that we see when we are dividing. Now, let's look at this first example that we've got here. 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Remember, when we have a number over another number with a line in between, it means division. So we're saying 3 to the power of 7 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Now again, let's look at this in expanded form. 3 to the power of 7 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 and 2 more times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over, and now we have 3 to the power of 4, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now, when we look at this in expanded form, we can see that some of these 3's can cancel out. These 2 can cancel, these 2 can cancel out, these 2 and these 2. When we cancel out our 4 3's, top and bottom, we find that we end up with an answer which is 3 times 3 times 3. In index form, this is 3 to the power of 3. Now, once again, can you see a pattern with our index number that we have in the answer and our 2 index numbers that we have here? 7 minus 4 gives me 3. So it seems that if I subtract these 2 index numbers, I'm going to get the power that I have here in the answer. Let's try it with the second example. 5 to the power of 6 divided by 5 to the power of 2. So we have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 multiplied 6 times. And this is over 5 squared, which is 5 times 5. Once again now, I'm going to cancel out the 5's at the top and the 5's at the bottom. This 5 will cancel with this one. This 5 will cancel with this one. And I'm left with 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 multiplied 4 times. So my answer is 5 to the power of 4. Once again, if we look at this index number here, 4, that is equal to 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 gives me 4. Once again, we can see that if we subtract the lower power from the top power, we can get the index number in our answer. Let's use this shortcut now to do these 2 calculations. 6 to the power of 5 divided by 6 to the power of 1. Now, using our shortcut, we need to subtract the 2 index numbers here. So my answer will be 6 to the power of 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, so my answer is 6 to the power of 4. Let's look at the last one now. 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2. Now the important thing to remember that a single number on its own like this is always to the power of 1. So we're really dealing with 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 1. So using our shortcut, our rule, our answer should be 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, so my answer is 2 to the power of 2. So, like our first rule with multiplying, it seems that our rule with dividing index numbers is that we subtract our lower index number from our upper index number to get the index number in our answer. Thanks for listening.